Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check deleted content from Instagram, how to see in someone's profile if they deleted some picture or comment or anything basically from their profile, but you have to have access to that, so if you want to see what you've deleted yourself as well, so go to your Instagram and open up the little profile here. Once you have done that, click on the three little dots on the top here and click on your activity. Once you've done that, scroll down and click on recently deleted. So here, anything that's been deleted in the past 30 will appear. So you have limited time to check this, but anything that was deleted from here can first of all be restored, but also can be deleted further, so no one else can see it anymore. And next, come on. Okay, so I can delete it now because it will require me for a security code to delete it. Anyways, if I wait 30 days, it will delete it automatically. But yeah, here you can check what you deleted and what you can restore. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.